In this video, I will show you how to fix your Roblox if you're getting an error message like this, which says your Windows 7 system is too outdated. Please install KB4534310. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to fix this, there's two things I'm going to go through with you today. And the first thing you're going to want to do is come to your desktop. And then what you want to do from here is come down to the bottom left hand corner and click onto the search icon. In the search box, go ahead and type run and open up the run app, which should be shown underneath best match. Now what you want to do in the box here is type the following, which is the % symbol and then temp and then another % symbol and then hit enter. So it's going to take you across to a folder like this. Now what you want to do from here is locate the Roblox folder here and then just simply delete this from this folder. So once you've gone ahead and deleted that, what you can do is try and load Roblox again, and that should resolve the problem. Now if this didn't work for you, there is actually another thing you can try. To do this, what you're going to want to do is open up a new internet browser. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and click onto the three dots up here. Next, what you want to do is come down and click onto settings. And then next, you want to come to this menu on the left hand side and click onto privacy and security. From here, if you look in the section that says privacy and security down here, you want to click onto cookies and other site data. Next, scroll down until you get to the see all site data and permissions options. Go and give that a click. Next, what you want to do is come to the search box at the top and go ahead and type Roblox. So this is going to bring up roblox.com, and all you want to do from here is click the little trash can next to here and then go ahead and press the blue clear button. So once that's done, again try and load up Roblox and that should resolve the issue. If you're still experiencing problems, the final thing you can try is to actually uninstall and reinstall Roblox on your system. So I hope this tutorial helped you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick video, and I will see you in the next tutorial.